In this chapter, we have to discuss these terms, which are expressions, equations, variables, constants, and coefficients. Let's see. Difference between expressions and equations. Expressions are those which included constant, variables, and operations as like plus and minus, and which do not contain the equals to sign. Those are called as the expressions. These are the examples. And the equation has the right hand side and left hand side, which means should have the equals to sign, okay, that is called the equation. And the expressions are these are the examples of expression and equation, you can see. And now come to the next term. What are variables? Variables are which can be vary, means which can be changed, which have not the fixed values, okay. It can be shown by any alphabet, example for X, Y, Z, A, B, C, P, Q, R, S, T, and so on. You can choose from yourself any variable to express the unknown value, okay. So these are the variables. Here the example, X is the variable, A is the variable, and C is the also variable. And what are constant? Constant means consist fixed value, which consists the fixed value. Here 2 is the fixed value. You cannot change in the value of 2. It is fixed. But you can change the 5x. If you have to multiply in the place of x by any number, this value will get changed. Example for, if you multiply 5 into x, x can be any number. If x equals to the 2, then 5 into 2 equals to 10. So x can be any number, y can be any number. So x and y here, x and y both are the variables, and constant is the 2. And now see the last term, coefficient. What is the coefficient value? Number in front of a variable or term, which means that number is multiplied by a variable. Here we have 6 into A. So 6 is the coefficient of the A. 1 into B means 1 is the coefficient of B. 2 is the coefficient of x square and y. If in any case the question is as, tell me the coefficient of y. Here 2x square both. 2x square multiplied by the y. So 2x square is the coefficient of the y. Okay.